Hello students, welcome to this video in which we are going to talk about the amazing autonomous fire engine or auto fire engine, robo fire engine, call it what you like, the main project that you are going to be doing for the next few weeks under our RoboSplash2023 program. If you attended our RoboSplash camp in April, then you already got the camp kit and you also have made the basic robo car. आणि तुम्ही जर एक्सटेन्शन प्रोग्रामाचे मेन प्रोजेक्ट किट ऑलरेडी कलेक्ट केल्ले आसा देन दिस किट अलॉंग विथ द कॅम्प किट दोनूय किटां धरून तुमचे कडेन सगळ्यो वस्तू आसात ज्यो वापरून तुमच्यानी तुमचे एक्साइटिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स बट अमेझिंग ऑटो फायर इंजिन करूं येता. Let's have a little flashback. In the April camp, using the structural parts, you put together the chassis of your robo car to hold everything together. मागीर ताचे मोटर आणि व्हीलां वापरून you gave the ability to your robo car, तुमच्या robo काराक मूव जावपाक मोशनाची एबिलिटी दिली तुम्ही. Then, using jumper wires, dual motor driver controller आणि Raspberry Pi, you wired its circuit so that you could control the power to its motors. And lastly, you programmed the whole thing in Scratch so that programmatically, as you wish, using keyboard or any other inputs, you could control the movement of your robocar. Now that was the basic robocar that we are going to use as the basis, on top of which now we are going to bring in enhancements so that it can meet the targets that we are setting for you for the autonomous fire engine. So let's talk about the target capabilities that your auto fire engine needs to have. Since it is a fire engine आशिल्ल्या कारणान it should be able to extinguish a fire, douse a fire. उजो पालोवपाक जमपा जाय. आता उजो कसो पालयतलो? You'll have to use water. पण उदक आणि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आर एनिमीज. मिक्स केले जाल्यार कितें जाता? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स पाड जाता. म्हणटकीर उदक तुमच्या रोबोकाराच्या पिक्चरान फ्रेमीन हाडटाना तुम्ही एकदम सांबाळून करचे पडटले. द वे यू कॅन सी इन दिस प्रोटोटाइप रोबोकार engine that one of our Sharon schools put together last year. As you can see here, our Sharon students use these small plastic containers which are used for medical urine testing. म्हणजे युरिन टेस्ट करपा खातीर जे फार्मासीन जे कंटेनर मेळटात तांणी ते वापरून तांचो वॉटर कंटेनर केलो आनी ताका धाकटुलो बुराक करून आमी जो तुमकां सबमर्सिबल वॉटर पंप दिला तो ताका एके वटेन कनेक्ट केलो ऑन द इनलेट साइड ऑफ द वॉटर पंप. द आउटलेट ऑफ द वॉटर पंप दे कनेक्टेड टू द ब्रास नोजल जे आमी तुमकां दिल्ले आसा युजिंग द ट्रान्सपरंट पाईप. अशें करून यू गेट द वॉटर जेट दॅट यू नीड टू एक्सटिंग्विश द फायर युजिंग युअर रोबोकार. Another ability that your auto fire engine must have is to keep a check on the water level of its tanks. म्हणजे तुमच्या उदकाच्या टांकेतले जर उदक संपायले then your auto fire engine must automatically decide to go back for a refill. म्हणजे उदक भरून परत येवपा जाय. The most crucial feature of your fire engine would be to detect where the fires are. म्हणजे उजे जे असतले धाकटे धाकटे, that is मेणवाती ज्यो पेटयल्ल्यो असतल्यो lit candles which would be placed around, your fire engine should be able to detect these fires in the first place before it can even move to them. हे करपाक the best sensor is a IR flame sensor and we have given you some of these. Now you have to use these along with your understanding of their angular range, म्हणजे तांची conical जी range असता या सेन्सराची and also your understanding of degrees in geometry. हे दोन्ही combine करून you'll have to create a system like one sample system that you can see in this prototype fire engine that Sharon kids did last year. पण असोच करचो म्हणून ना, तुमकां जाय तसो तुमच्यान करूं येता, but what's important is that your fire engine is able to automatically detect where the fire is and control its movement to get to a point from where it can put out the fire. The next target capability that your fire engine must have is the ability to avoid obstacles. म्हणजे ताजे वाटेन जी कितें ऑब्स्टेकलां येतात तातूंत डॅश करिनासतना your fire engine should be able to move around. This ability to avoid obstacles can be achieved using हो जो IR distance proximity obstacle avoidance sensor जे आमी तुमकां कॅम्प किटान दिल्ले ते वापरून तुमच्यांनी घडोवं येता. But remember, it is a IR or infrared based sensor. But the fire that you're going to try to extinguish, जो उजो तुम्ही पालन करतेला, that has a very high level of infrared light emission. तातूंतल्यान खूबशी infrared येता, heat जी येता पळय ती. म्हणटकीर it's likely that will confuse your IR distance sensor. जाल्यार कितें करूं येता तुमच्यांनी घडयेक you could try using the ultrasonic obstacle avoidance sensor or ultrasonic distance sensor. But this sensor cannot be programmed in Scratch directly, and that is where lies a unique challenge, and that is something that we will have to figure out as we go along in this program. Another ability that your auto fire engine must have is to follow some black and white tracks, जे line follower tracks म्हणतात तसले ट्रॅक तुमच्या रोबोकाराक फॉलो करपाक जमपा जाय. Another ability that your auto fire engine must have is to switch between a standby mode and an action mode. Standby mode is when your fire engine is all set with the program running and everything, but it is not yet moving. As soon as you are told to start the action, you will use the push button to switch your robocar from the standby mode to the active mode, and with a delay of a few seconds, it will start its full action of searching the fire and doing everything else. And you will use this same push button to switch the car back from the active mode into the standby mode, and also as an emergency stop button in case something goes wrong with your robocar. Also, we have given you micro servos in the extension kit. Using these, you can control the direction. तुमचे water jets जे आसात, तांचे direction तुमच्यानी control करूं येता, or the direction of your ultrasonic distance sensor जो आसा, ताजे करूं येता, or the direction of your camera that you will connect to the Raspberry Pi. However, हे जे micro servos जे आसात, हे scratch-आनसून control करपा जायना. So that will be another challenge to figure out as we go along in this extension program. An exciting feature of your auto fire engine would be to provide a live coverage using the Raspberry Pi camera we have given you in the kit, using that to give a live coverage of all its action. जे ते प्लेग्राउंडाचे जे कितें करता, उजो सोदता, पालयता, जे कितें करता, हाची लाइव फुटेज तुमकां एक रिमोट कंप्युटराचे थ्रू VNC सॉफ्टवेअर जे आसा ते वापरून तुमकां एक रिमोट कंप्युटराचे ती पळोवपा मेळटली. Not only for your team, but even the audience who would be watching the competition, they could see it on a big projector. Here is a challenge for those among you who have that daring to do some real solid complex coding. Consider this. You have this live feed coming from your Raspberry Pi camera. Raspberry Pi cameraंतली जी live video feed मेळटा, that along with the special feature of video sensing in Scratch, in दोनों जर combine केली, you could add some advanced features to your auto fire engine and put it into an altogether different league. With all these abilities, your auto fire engine is going to be doing so many things in the competition. Right from the start, जेन्ना timer ताजो सुरू जातलो, तेन्नाच्यान first it will search where the fire is. Then it will try to get to it while avoiding obstacle, जे वाटेक खंयसर अडचणेक आडकोना जावपाक. तशेंच it might also follow some tracks, line follower tracks to get to the fire. एकदा उज्याकडे पावले की then it will shoot the water through the nozzles to douse the fire. उजो पालोवपाक प्रयत्न करतले. हे करताना it has to keep a tab on the water level in the water tanks. उदक जर संपायले जाल्यार it has to go back for a refill and come back again to the fire to douse it. All of these different statuses, all of these different modes of your auto fire engine, you could indicate using your own creativity along with the few LEDs and the buzzer that we have given you, so that you have an audio visual indication of the state of your auto fire engine. Now, so many abilities to be created in your auto fire engine using all these things that we have given you in the camp kits. It might feel like a mountain of work. The best way to handle this mountain is to break it into boulders. म्हणजे कितें, दर एक जो सेन्सर आसा, जो मोटर or component आसा, ताजो इंडिव्हिज्युअली कसो सर्किट घडोवचो, ताका रास्पबेरी पाय वांगडा कसो इंटिग्रेट करचो, ताजो स्क्रॅचान प्रोग्राम बरोवन ताका कंट्रोल कसो करचो, दर एका कंपोनंटाची तुमकां समजणी आयली की यू शुड मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट आयटम. अशें करून once you have understood few of them, then you start putting them together. You understand how they can be wired or connected in a circuit together, how they can be programmed and made to work together. अशें करून step by step your auto fire engine will take its final shape. All along the way, you can refer to our videos that will be releasing in the days ahead. जे आमचे फुडले जे videos जे आमी रिलीज करतले ते तुमच्यान रिफर करूं येता, आणि ते रिफर करून तुमच्यानी you can understand how each of the sensors, the motors and each of the components work, and how you can combine and eventually make your auto fire engine. So I hope you are excited just as I am about the fun learning journey that lies ahead of us in getting your amazing auto fire engine ready. All the very best. Thank you. देव बरें करूं.
तुमकां कसलोच प्रश्न, डाऊट, डिफिकल्टी आसली जाल्यार सगळ्यान पयलीं गुगल करात. युट्यूबाचेर व्हिडिओ पळयात. तरी जमना जाल्यार आमची व्हॉट्सएप, हेल्पलायन जी आसा ताचेर तुमचो प्रश्न घालात. खंयचेय एके भाशेन इंग्लीश, कोंकणी, हिंदीन नाल्यार मराठीन घालात. बरोवपाक त्रास जाता जाल्यार ऑडिओ नोट म्हणून घालात. बरें तर, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it with others so that children in Goa's villages benefit from our program. देव बरें करूं.